The TP-Link EAP650 Wi-Fi 6 access point offers ultra-fast wireless connectivity with support for the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, achieving impressive speeds up to 2,976 megabits per second. Its sleek and compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any modern environment, making it ideal for offices, hotels, or cafes. The device integrates effortlessly with the Omada Software Defined Networking platform, providing versatile control options whether you choose a hardware, software, or cloud-based controller. Remote management is simplified through the Omada app, allowing users to manage their network from anywhere at any time. Advanced wireless features such as mesh support, seamless roaming, and enhanced security with WPA3 make the EAP650 a robust choice for any high-demand network setup. Multiple powering options, including Power over Ethernet and direct current adapter support, ensure easy and flexible installation tailored to various environments.